This is how to attach two wires together using a butt connector with internal solder. First, you strip the wire using self-adjusting wire strippers. Put the wire in, squeeze and pull. Then you find a butt connector that is big enough to fit over the wire and slide over the sheeting as well. And make sure to slide it on before you attach the wires. So now we'll take these two wires, interlock them, and twist them together before pulling the sleeve over the connection. Alright, as you can see, the solder has melted and completely encased the wire